Okay, so welcome in this second part. So in previous lecture we have just worked on these three words. So the next text that we have is 21st century. So I will simply use a calendar for this. I will go here and I will say CL. First of all, make sure that you are in Doodle main folder. Now if you see here, I am in search result and then in a confused folder. So of course I have to click on go back option and then I will click on this Doodle pack. And now if I say calendar and I will have this, I will right click here, I will copy this name. And now what I will do, I can either copy paste this name and I can copy this svg file and paste to my desktop or any folder from where I can then load in VideoScribe. Or there is another way that is very easy and I use mostly that. Simply copy this file name and open your VideoScribe. Click on this image icon and click open and open your Doodle svg pack folder. I have shortcut on my desktop and paste name here that you have copied of that file. This is very simple. You don't have to copy and paste in other places and then load from there. Simply copy file name and open main folder of Doodle pack and paste name that you have copied. Like as you can see, we have now calendar images. I will open it. I will set camera for this. I will decrease size. We'll use this image here and this image here. Okay, the voiceover, if we add voiceover here, so that will be very good, and you can add from here. You can record from someone else or you can record yourself, but for now we will just simply use it, or the money of future. Okay, so simply add money here. I will first of all search money in my Doodle svg main pack and I will use any of money image like this one or maybe this coin one. I will copy name and from here we will add image, desktop. Already selected my Doodle svg pack. Let me paste and here we have all three svg images. We'll open any of that, decrease the size, adjust here and here, and also decreases duration for drawing. So now you can see this first line is completed. For next line, this introduction explain. So for this you can use images either here or you can go to a blank screen. I would like to use a new blank screen. So what I will do, I will simply select last image. Like this is the last image of my slide. I want to make this last image of my slide, so I will give it to 0.5 pose or 0.1 second. You can give it 1 also, and I will say transition should be 1 second. Now I will simply click on any of blank screen and I will move to top side, bottom side, right, left side, and now I will add other images for this other text. Like it's in this introduction explain the most important thing about cryptocurrency. So what I will do, I will come here and you can also search, simply type .png, so you will have all png images and you can find which type of image you are looking for here, and then you can simply copy image name and paste and you will have svg image of that image. So this is also a trick which I use mostly whenever I don't know about any image or I don't have idea that which image I have to use for a specific line. Actually these when you will type .png, so you will have all of images that are png images. which means you will have complete images, so you can preview it easily. So now I will say marketing. I know these all words, like as now I have typed marketing, so I will have very relevant images. So when you will work on Doodle Lab, you will know also. Now as I have typed marketing, let me open this first folder, and from here we can say increase the size. Let me, okay, we can actually use this image also, like this one, but we will have to erase Edward PPC SEO etc. So let me drag this image to Adobe Illustrator and simply select, delete, select, delete, select and delete, and also select and delete. Now if we look at here, is this introduction explain the most important thing about cryptocurrency. So actually you can simply add an SVG image here in this whiteboard, and then you can use these two images for this complete whole line, this paragraph I mean. So I will save this file on my desktop with same default name. I will hit enter again, and let me open this image. Okay, set camera, and now I will click on image. I will use this Bitcoin image. Okay, you can increase size to 3 seconds, or if I play now it, so you can see what is cryptocurrency, and here currency, and here is a confused man, and here is calendar, and here is money, and then pause and new slide. So as you can see, it looks very awesome and clean. You can make professional videos with this method. You can go with all these same the process that as we have used for these two lines. Okay, like there is a 2-day cryptocurrency, so you can again use a cryptocurrency, and like world icon for this word, and then most known to people, like for people simply go here and go in Doodle SVG pack, type people. So you can see a lot of people you can use like this image. Okay, and this is a very perfect image actually. In this center you can use, you can add Bitcoin image. I hope you will understand and this that how animation videos are made, and from next video I will show you how you can convert this video. So actually my plan was that I will make a complete video on this script. Is 102 word script, but actually this will take lots of time, and maybe that video will be very lengthy, and then people will not watch. So I think this short process is better than that long videos. And one more thing which I would like to add here, that sometime if you work as a freelancer, so you will get some script that has very difficult word. So of course you can Google it, and simply you can, like this is cryptocurrency, so you can type cryptocurrency in Google and simply add what is cryptocurrency, or cryptocurrency meaning, or cryptocurrency dictionary, and whatever. Simply add some words that Google understand you, that you wanna looking for help, you need that word explanation, so then you will know about that word, so you can then use that. So now let me show you how you can render it. Simply click on this arrow icon, and now click on this first icon. Here we have lot of options. Simply what you have to do is change the second option, like by default it will be 640 or maybe 720, so you have to change to 180. Go with this and leave everything default and simply click on OK. So in next video I will show you how you can convert this, and then in next video I will show you how you can do proper editing, I mean final editing in Camtasia Studio, like how to add music, and then how to add some transition etc if you need. So I hope you will understand and you enjoyed this lecture. So see you next lecture. Goodbye.